Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
Do you know how to discuss plans in Spanish? You'll learn how in just a moment. Hi, my name is Caro, and this is 3-Step Spanish by SpanishPod101.com. In this lesson, you'll learn to discuss plans in Spanish through a quick conversation. Let's look at the dialogue. As you listen, pay attention to how they ask about the topic and how the other person responds. ¿Tienes planes para el sábado? No, no tengo. Estoy libre el sábado. Entonces, ¿nos vemos en mi gimnasio? Me parece bien. Por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. ¿Quieres venir? Sí, claro. Let's hear it with the English translation. ¿Tienes planes para el sábado? Do you have any plans for Saturday? No, no tengo. Estoy libre el sábado. No, I don't. I'm free on Saturday. Entonces, ¿nos vemos en mi gimnasio? So, should we meet at my gym? Me parece bien. Sounds good to me. The next sentence will be the one we analyze. Let's examine its components. Por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. ¿Quieres venir? At night, I'm going to drink with my friends in la Condesa. Want to come? First is the phrase por la noche, meaning at night. Por la noche. Por la noche. Next is the phrase voy a beber, meaning I'm going to drink. Voy a beber. Voy a beber. After this is the phrase con mis amigos, meaning with my friends. Con mis amigos. Con mis amigos. Next is the phrase en la Condesa, meaning in la Condesa. En la Condesa. En la Condesa. Together it's por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. At night I'm going to drink with my friends in la Condesa. Last is the sentence. ¿Quieres venir? Meaning, want to come? ¿Quieres venir? ¿Quieres venir? Altogether it's, por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. ¿Quieres venir? At night, I'm going to drink with my friends in la Condesa. Want to come? Sí, claro. Sure. Let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is the structure that all of our examples will follow. Voy a verb. Con people. En place. Let's look at the first part. Voy a verb. Voy comes from the verb ir, which means to go. Voy a means I'm going to, and it's always followed by a verb in its base form, also called the infinitive. For example, beber is the infinitive form of the verb to drink. So, voy a beber means I'm going to drink. Next is con people, meaning with people. Con is the word for with, and it's followed by whoever you are doing the activity with. After that is en place, meaning in or at place. En is used to show location, and it works for both in and at. So, the full sentence structure is voy a verb con people en place. This means I'm going to verb with people at in place. Let's see how a line from the dialogue follows this pattern. Por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. Por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa. At night, I'm going to drink with my friends in la Condesa. In this sentence, por la noche adds extra information about when the action is happening. It means at night. It's not part of the pattern. Voy a beber follows the pattern. Voy a means I'm going to, and beber is the verb to drink. Con mis amigos fits the next part of the pattern. Con means with. and mis amigos means my friends. En la Condesa shows where the action will happen. En means in, and La Condesa is the place. So, the sentence por la noche voy a beber con mis amigos en la Condesa follows our pattern exactly. It translates as, at night I'm going to drink with my friends in La Condesa. Now, you can use this structure to talk about your plans in Spanish, whether you are going drinking with your friends or doing something else entirely. In many Spanish-speaking countries, especially in places like Mexico and Spain, meeting up with friends for a drink is an important part of social life. In Mexico, people often gather at cantinas or terrazas to drink beer or tequila, sometimes accompanied by botanas, which are snacks like peanuts, chips, or small tacos. These gatherings are a chance to relax, catch up, and enjoy the vibrant local culture. In Spain, it's common to go out for tapas in the evening, small shared dishes that are often enjoyed with beer or wine. It's as much about socializing as it is about eating. Now, let's look at some speaking examples. Voy a estudiar con mi compañero en la biblioteca. I'm going to study with my classmate at the library. Can you see how the pattern applies here? Let's break it down. Here, voy a means I'm going to, and estudiar is the verb in its base form, meaning to study. This follows the voy a verb structure. Con mi compañero means with my classmate, and it fits the con people part of the pattern. En la biblioteca means at the library, which matches the en place structure. So, voy a estudiar con mi compañero en la biblioteca fits perfectly into the sentence pattern voy a, verb, con, people, en, place, meaning I'm going to study with my classmate at the library. Here's another example. Voy a caminar con mi amigo en el jardín. I'm going to walk with my friend in the garden. Voy a caminar con mi amigo en el jardín. I'm going to walk with my friend in the garden. Let's try one more. Voy a cocinar con mi hija en la fiesta. I'm going to cook with my daughter at the party. Voy a cocinar con mi hija en la fiesta. I'm going to cook with my daughter at the party. Another one. Voy a correr con mis colegas en el parque. I'm going to run with my colleagues at the park. Voy a correr con mis colegas en el parque. I'm going to run with my colleagues in the park. One last example. Voy a comprar una computadora con mi papá en el centro comercial. I'm going to buy a computer with my father at the mall. Voy a comprar una computadora con mi papá en el centro comercial. I'm going to buy a computer with my father at the mall. Now you know how to discuss plans in Spanish, and you can move on to the practice. ¡Nos vemos!